What's up, everybody? It's your boy David from the Eclectic Electric Transport on YouTube and eLife Behind Bars on Instagram. So let's skip the chase. Let's go to the upper right, that icon that looks like a television. Let's stream your PC. Let's go ahead and add these settings. It's very simple. It was under our nose the whole time. Once we add those settings, we're going to dismount sidequest. We're going to put the headset on. While using hand tracking, we're going to go ahead and open up Cubism, and this works for other games. So I discovered this today, and in the future we'll have a lot more content. And it was real cool and real fun to make this video. So again, it's your boy David from the Eclectic Electric Transport on YouTube and eLife Behind Bars on Instagram. And this is where we're at. So peace, love, and enjoy. I'm out.